The targeted audience principle of training. How are training programs evaluated? Before beginning an instructional system design project, the question should be asked, why am I here? What did you base your decision on to incorporate instructional system design? Where is the supporting documentation? Who is sponsoring and supporting the program? How will the end product be administered and maintained for future updates or improvements? Choosing the correct set of learners. Why and how did you choose the group of learners for this particular project? What is the demographics of the learners? What do they already know? What is their baseline level of knowledge in relationship to this project? Where and how will training be conducted? How will you measure success? The question is not as easy as it seems. The majority of the questions can be answered with a detailed task analysis. The detailed task analysis is a breakdown of all key components required in a successful training program. Without a detailed task analysis, key steps in development shall be missed. Without a detailed task analysis, corrective actions are difficult to discern and apply. The task analysis provides the foundation to create the educational map of success. Example of a detailed task analysis. Detailed task analysis. You have duty, task, and subtasks. All three areas must be clearly identified. You have the frequency, the importance, and the difficulty of that particular task. Finally, you have the learning domains, the cognitive, the psychomotor, and the affective. Each learning domain must be clearly identified. The next phase of a detailed task analysis is the conditions, the criterion, and the standards. The conditions are what you will give the student to complete a particular task. The criterion is what the student must accomplish, and the standards, how well you want them to complete that particular task. It can be a grading from 80 to 100%, or it could be something as simple as pass or fail. These are all part of the detailed task analysis. The final phase of a detailed task analysis includes steps, performance, and standards. The steps are very detailed. They tell you exactly what the student must do in order to complete a task. What makes this so important in a detailed task analysis, if a student misses one step, it can be the difference between passing or failing a particular task. On the performance side, it tells you what to look for when a student completes one step. And along with that comes a pass or fail. If a student, for example, is setting up email account on a computer, if they forget the step about finding a non-secure computer system, they automatically fail. Because as we know, you can't send classified information on an unclassified system. This is a key component. Again, The final phase of a detailed task analysis is steps, performance, and standards. With each step, there's a particular performance, and there's a particular standard that goes along with each step. This is how you determine a successful training program, by these very fine details.